Hey everyone, Extreme here. Today we'll be looking at eOracle. Simple, swift and secure. But the main reason I'm looking at this one is due to the fact that it's a passive income. You don't need to refer anyone to get an income. But before we continue, just a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm mere just sharing my experience. So make sure to do your own due diligence before entering any platform. eOracle, our community. eOracle is an educated global community using a priority and innovative decentralized platform to access a highly vetted pipeline of blockchain startups. The eOracle user is sharing in a unique wealth building model that exponentially distributes knowledge and wealth. Our business function. eOracle's primary business function is to provide the framework for incubating and accelerating the best of breed blockchain startup projects for our community. The unique relationship between eOracle user and eOracle startup is generating sustainability and pure economic power, a true win-win for all. Our wealth generator, the eOracle user participates in wealth generation directly from our DeFi, yield farming and lending ecosystem. In addition, when our use case partners attained unicorn status, the eOracle users receive exponential economic value. Our education, eOracle will soon launch eOracle University, where our community will learn the secrets to financial sustainability, sales and marketing, and living in a better life in the digital world. The reason why I'm joining this is for the DeFi, the yield farming, the lending, the staking, and the mining. The current use cases is the ECN token, the crypto bulls, Payway. Payway is a card, an all-in-one application. No, it's not still in development, it's ready already. So I'll be ordering my card and I'll keep you updated as soon as I get it and how it works. Crypto Bulls is a signals provider where you can earn up to 1,000% profit following their Crypto Bulls signals monthly. Well, to reach 1,000%, you're gonna have to do proper bankroll management. But I'll do a test as soon as I can and see what kind of profit I can make from them. ECN. ECN is a betting platform. Holders of the ECN token bet head-to-head against community members. Pool betting scenarios are also available. The premise of the project is the production of award-winning staking and betting decentralized applications, or dApps, that appeal to all betting enthusiasts and those seeking rewards from long-term participants as stakeholders. Their overarching aim, by making use of blockchain technology, is to produce the first truly decentralized driven betting and staking platform. The ECN network is a TRC20 token with decentralized finance at the heart of its ecosystem, driven by blockchain technology. The free links here at the bottom, I'll add them in the description. DustSwap is where you can exchange your ECN tokens to Tron. The Tron scan with the contract address where you can look at the token, and GitHub where you can get more information. So the different product plans. You can start as little as $50 or you can start with as much as $30,000. It's up to you and what suits you the best. As you can see, there's 4 different columns, with each column providing a different sort of income. So option A, the $50 and higher, a $5 value of ECN monthly for 12 months. So option A, you'll get income every month for 12 months depending to the amount you've entered. A staking is $89. It's package A plus $20 stake, $3 per month plus $19 ECN liquidity. Option B, basic masternode mining smart contract, $127. It's 80 cents per day for 365 days mining. I'm looking to get into option B to start with. Option C, Pro Masternode Mining Smart Contract, $239, and you'll earn $2 a day for 365 days. So I'm looking to get into ECN, and I'll be purchasing my first package today. So let's click on buy. As you can see, here's all the different packages, and I'm looking to get into this one. But before we get into buying it, first, when you want to deposit money, you click on dashboard and you go to your crypto wallet details. You click on view details. It will give you the different wallets you can deposit to. I've used Bitcoin as is the number one crypto. They did mention the Ethereum wallet is giving problems to avoid it. And it seemed like the Tron wallet was under maintenance when I got in. So I've sent Bitcoin, and as you can see, my Bitcoin is here already. The second thing you need to do is go to security and generate yourself a transaction password. After generating it, they'll send you an email with the password, because every time you need to do a transaction, you're gonna need this password. So let's go ahead and buy my first package, the $127 package. Purchase now, and I'm gonna pay with Bitcoin. As you can see, they're asking for my transaction password, so I'm just gonna get it real quick. Enter my transaction password and click on pay. Congratulations, dear Extreme. Your subscription plan, Basic Masternode plan, is active now. Wish you great success, Team eOracle. So I'm active, and now we'll wait and see. On the left hand side, let's see if we can see the income. Not yet. So I'm active and my plans are going. As you can see, I can just click on upgrade, and I can upgrade the plans when I feel ready and when I want to do it. So now let's run with it and see what happens. I'll do a withdrawal video as soon as I can withdraw the first profits. Have a great one and enjoy eOracle.